Latest on the transfer news, sanibona bafethu uVanele. So Orlando Pirates siconfirmile about the departure of two players okupaseka Marco benoThabiso Monyane. Akusizona ke indaba ezinhle lezi for ama Orlando Pirates fans, but ke abajida sebeshilo Orlando upaseka Marco nabe ungomunye abadlali abebephelelwe icontract. Yabo kumafisela okuhle kwefuture yabo Orlando Pirates isibachithile. Asazi ke mhlambe Orlando Pirates ikhona abadlali ebabekile ezobasayina ngoba ichitha i-left back. Mukhumbula kahle Orlando Pirates ayinawo ama left back amaningi kule position, abanawo abadlali abaningi. Ukuchitha kwabo upaseka Marco mhlambe ngaba inkinga ezobashaya in the long run. Yabo we never know, but ke uyena benoThabiso Monyane sebeshilo Orlando Pirates. Bukhumbula kahle labadlali bawuthu behlushwa kakhulu ama injury. Yabo but ke ubesebuyile upaseka Marco beseyisiza i-team kakhulu. Naye uThabiso Monyane umdlali lo engasho ukuthi naba ama injury bemhlupha, but mebuyile ubedlala ngempela umjida. Yabo ayisizi Orlando Pirates, but ke sebeshile ke Orlando Pirates ngibafisela okuhle kwi-future yabo la bezoya khona, ngoba namhlanje kuphume indaba kuthiwa ama agents kaThabiso Monyane offerishile umjida kwiKaizer Chiefs. Yabo ama agent offerishe uThabiso Monyane kwiKaizer Chiefs ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs ibheke umjida ikwazi ukumsayina. Sazi ke noma iKaizer Chiefs izomsayina yini uThabiso Monyane. Yabo ngaba khona icontroversy enkulu kakhulu, umdlali asuke kuOrlando Pirates ayojoin iKaizer Chiefs. Siyakwazi ke lokho, into esesayibona vele before, but ke umjida uyi-free agent. Yabo ngeke umzwele icala umjida uma yase ajoin iKaizer Chiefs because iKaizer Chiefs is a big club. Yabo njengoba uyi-big club nje naye umdlalo uyi-quality, so joining Kaizer Chiefs ngayenza sense, but ke we'll never know. Maybe the player might choose otherwise. Maybe he might go to Stellenbosch, maybe he might go to Skokhune. There are many teams afuna ama right backs, there are many teams afuna abadlali abayi-quality nje uThabiso Monyane, but inkinga yakhe we-injury prone. As I spoke izolo about uMabhuti Kenyeza about yena they have parted ways with Chippa United. Umjida uzoba right now ngiyazi abe neclub azokwazi kuyicoach. Yabo kule season entsha ezayo ayekho iclub azoyicoach. Asazi ukuthi yipi club azoya kuyona afike yabo avuselele uthando lwakhe lokucoach ama team, but ke there are many teams akhona la angahamba umjida afike abu coach lo athanda ukuba yena. Yabo maybe return to Golden Arrows axolise lapha yana, maybe work with yabo uManqaba Mnqithi. Yabo I spoke about yena maningi ama team, maybe go to Richards Bay right now they have no coach actually. Yabo they have two interim coaches abayisiza i-team. Yabo bayisizile i-team ukuthi ingene ku top 8. Kwezinye zeindaba uJody February ugoalkeeper Mamelodi Sundowns use-extendile icontract yakhe with Mamelodi Sundowns, iyozi expire next year ngoJune 2026. uJody February ke bafethu ugoalkeeper lo weMamelodi Sundowns ungajwayele ukuyithola game time neMamelodi Sundowns. Yabo akanawo ama games adlula ku5 neMamelodi Sundowns ugoalkeeper lo bafethu since afika, I think wafika Mamelodi Sundowns back in 2022 season, but ke icontract yakhe useyirenewile neMamelodi Sundowns. Uzohamba neteam ayodlala kwiClub World Cup asize Mamelodi Sundowns ikwazi ukuyinqoba leya cup leya. Kwezinye zeindaba kuMamelodi Sundowns uLebohang Mabuwe lo udlalela iMamelodi Sundowns amamlonile kwiSuperSport United ngenzeka icontract yakhe ingarenewa. Omunye umdlali okubani uEsquivel lo mdlali lo abamthenga I think usuka le Argentina, omunye wabadlali lobo ongenzeka ashawa izembe kuMamelodi Sundowns. Omunye umdlali kububani uSuarez. Mina ngikhumbula kahle kuSuarez leli defender leli iMamelodi Sundowns sathana kulanda nje ngoJanuary. Yabo umjida ngenzeka naye icontract yakhe iterminate with iMamelodi Sundowns because ubeloniwe vele kuMamelodi Sundowns, so ngeke bamsign as a permanent deal. Yabo but ke anything can happen, but ke indaba ekizwile kuthiwa bona ngeke bakwazi ukuhlala kwiSundowns. Lebohang Mabuwe quality player, he was loaned to SuperSport United. Maybe with SuperSport United he might stay as a permanent player. Kwezinye zeindaba uGilberto bafethu Orlando Pirates le bimlonile kwiPetro de Luanda la samthenga khona. Orlando Pirates amthenga kwiPetro de Luanda, but ke Orlando Pirates are looking to extend loan yakhe nePetro de Luanda. Mukhumbula kahle umjida udlala kahle lapha. Yabo ihomeland yakhe udlala le Angola, uwinile league nePetro de Luanda, uyodlala iChampions League next season. Maybe ekuhlaleni kwakhe season, yabo another season, maybe a short term loan ngamsiza umjida. Yabo akwazi ukudlala kahle, akwazi ukuyithola game time because kwiOrlando Pirates akayithola game time, and he wasn't getting any game time because wayengal understand ibhola. Maybe the language, there was a language barrier, maybe the owners saw ukuthi akusiyena lo muntu esamthenga sasijolo to yena lo. Yabo we don't know, but ke Orlando Pirates icabanga ukuextenda ideal yakhe with iPetro de Luanda bamlone yabo more further. Kwezinye zeindaba uThapelo Morena kuMamelodi Sundowns sebeyisecure ideal ukuthi ba extend naye. Yabo ungomunye wabadlali abazohlala until uJune 2026 yabo bamnikeze u1 year contract kwi-contract yakhe esele neMamelodi Sundowns because uma usubheke ilist yabadlali iMamelodi Sundowns esibagcinile yabo uma usubheke nje ama list abadlali aseberenewal ama contracts uMusa Libusa nyamkhumbula uMusa Libusa I spoke about him izolo about uThapelo Morena nayo renewal contract yakhe Terence Mashego Khuliso Mudau Aubrey Modiba, Dennis Onyango, Mothobi Mvala naye urenewile icontract yakhe yabo abadlala abasareleasiwe right now uSipho Mbule no Rivaldo Kosiye yabo there are many players abasazo updatewa akusazokhulunywa ngabo kusazosho ukuthi bayahamba yabo another player ifuture yakhe esingayiboni ukuthi iyapi uKodisang yabo Kabohelo Kodisang Kabomelo Kodisang umdlali lo sethana kulandwa iMamelodi Sundowns bamlanda le eEurope bedlala le eEurope yena ke ifuture yakhe engazuthi uyahamba kuSundowns but akahambi ezumdlali abamchithayo cha uzohamba eziloni yabo into abengizwile kuthiwa uzohamba eziloni umjida but ke akakakhanya ukuthi yipi team azohamba ayojoina on a loan. Ex-Cape Town City striker Fragile Lakey has been tipped to return to EPSL amid indication that he is set to leave Pyramids FC. Yabo menikhumbula kahle ke umjida ubedlalela iPyramids FC all along but ke iPyramids yayimlone out yabo kule season lade idlala iPyramids ade ngeke kuChampions League so you cannot call the player iChampions League winner. Yabo umjida ubengeke kuPyramids kule season uloniwe ubeloniwe umjida so icontract yakhe izophela naye mekuphela lenyanga le so angabuyela kuBetway Premiership asazi ukuthi yipi club engazama ukumsayina umjida he is a good striker umjida so we don't know yabo we don't know there are many clubs la kuBetway Premiership athenga ama strikers yabo you can go around there are many teams maybe Durban City maybe Cape Town City if they fight for their relegation battle there kwezinye izindaba kuthiwa iKaizer Chiefs are set to loan out uTebogo Botswana until June 2026 uBotswana ngempela ungomunye wabadlali engenzeka ashiye iKaizer Chiefs yabo because siyazi iKaizer Chiefs indlela yabo ukuthi badedele abadlali benzani na bayabahambisa babayise kwiloan badlale kwiloan masiphelile icontract yabo mase beyabadedela yabo iyona into esijwayele ukuyibona ngeKaizer Chiefs midedela abadlali ningakohle amadoda iMamelodi Sundowns izotravela ngomhla ka8 June yabo izotravela ngomhla ka8 June bayodlala ifirst game yabo against iUlsan yale eAsia yabo bayodlala kuClub World Cup mafiselo kuhle iMamelodi Sundowns irepresente kahle iba eshathi bafana irepresente kahle iSouth Africa kwezinye izindaba kuthiwa uRanga Chivaviro has drawn ama interest from ama club ako Tanzania ama club ako Jordan ama club ako Libya yabo after parting ways with iKaizer Chiefs ngasho ukuthi iagent yakhe uRanga Chivaviro yamsebenzela ngempela yabo akhona nama club akhona la eSouth Africa iRichards Bay FC nje iyamfuna ngempela uRanga Chivaviro but ke we don't know maybe the player would stay in South Africa maybe he will go outside maybe Tanzania maybe Jordan maybe Libya yabo there are many quality teams there maybe there are teams adlala kwiChampions League angazama ukumsayina umjida yabo so iKaizer Chiefs have joined the race to sign iKruger United striker uThapelo Matlogo yabo iMarumo Gallants and iGolden Arrows are also forward to sign this guy yabo asazi ukuthi yipi team ezomsayina but ke for me I think it's wise to join iKaizer Chiefs masubheka amateam amfunayo umjida awanayo that value yabo Marumo Gallants na Golden Arrows na yabo I'm not saying those teams are better but masubheka ivalue awanayo ivalue but masubheka iKaizer Chiefs they have the upper hand ukuthi imthole lo mjida lo yabo